Lash Fam? Welcome back to my channel for another helpful lash video. If you're new to our channel and you haven't joined, please do so by turning on our post notifications and hitting that subscribe button. Welcome back, ladies. Today we are doing a doll eye tutorial, and in this set I will be using 14s and I will be using 16s, and the reason why I'm going so long is because my client's natural lashes are about a 15, so she has really long natural lashes, so we want to give her a little bit more length than what she already has, and also she likes them a little bit longer. Her lashes are coarse and long, so she's able to hold something like this. So remember, when you are deciding what to use on your clients, make sure you always go back to their natural lashes and reference, and you can adjust lengths depending on your client's natural lash. I will be using my luxury lashes in D curl and DD curl, so these will be both in 0.5s. So I'm excited for you guys to check this out. If you have questions on the set or comments, please let me know. I will be in the comments, always replying to you guys for the first hour or so. I'm super excited for you guys to check it out. If you're excited, give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoy it. I am using the Clearly Luxe glue from J Brand Beauty. My primer is from Lashbox LA. My sealant is, of course, Ruthie Bell. All right, guys, we're gonna jump into this video. I hope you guys are excited as I am. Fam, that does conclude our volume tutorial on the dolleye. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. I do keep up with all of my release dates, new videos, everything on my Instagram. I will leave the link in the description below so you guys can follow us there. I will be launching my lashes. Those will be stocked at the end of this month. I'm getting a lot of questions about it. So end of this month, the lashes will be restocked along with my classic lashes, my tweezers. So everything will be available. I will again release those dates via Instagram. So make sure you guys head over there and follow us. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any requests, please comment down below. I will be in the comments. I will be live. All right, ladies, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys, and I'll see you next week.